How to change your name in Zoom and during the Zoom meeting. So first, you want to open your Zoom application at your desktop, and you want to go to your profile at the top right of your Zoom. Then click on your username and on your email. Then click on My Profile. It will open to your browser. And after that, you want to make sure you open your profile. Then you want to click Edit beside your name. Tap on Edit. And what you want to change is to replace this display name, not the first name and last name. This first name and last name is only for your name in your account, not your display in Zoom when you are in the meeting. So you want to replace it with your desired name, and then don't forget to click Save. And there you go, you will find your name was changed. And to change your name during the meeting, you want to click this participant, then it will pop up these windows. Then on your name, you want to click More and choose Rename. Type the desired name and click on Rename. And there you go. But keep in mind, if you change your name in the meeting, it will only apply on the meeting itself. So if you have the next meeting, your name will come back to your display name at the Zoom. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.